Are you facing distorted sound on your Amazon Echo? It often happens due to poor Wi-Fi connection, outdated firmware, or speaker damage. In this video, I'll show you how to fix distorted sound issues on your Echo device. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before we start, check the basics. Make sure your phone is connected to the Alexa device. Your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Your Bluetooth is turned on. After that, try to follow the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Restart the Alexa Echo. Unplug the power adapter from the Echo Dot for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then plug it back in. After that, open the Alexa apps open. Tap the bulb icon, select your device, tap Settings, tap Wi-Fi network, check the connection health. If this says, that means you have no issues with Wi-Fi. However, if this says poor, that means you have issues with internet, so you can restart your Wi-Fi to solve that problem. After following this, if you are still facing the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 2. Check alarms and timers. Open the Alexa app. If you set any alarm or reminder, you will get there. You need to stop it or delete it. Slide right to the left, the alarm. Tap it, remove. And that's it. Solution 3. Bluetooth connection/disconnection. Alexa often makes a sound when pairing or losing connection with a Bluetooth device. So go to Alexa app, tap on device's icon below. It looks like a bulb icon. Now tap on your device name. Then look at the Bluetooth connections to see if any devices are frequently connecting or disconnecting. Then tap on the Bluetooth device. Now tap on the down arrow icon. Tap the disconnect device, and that's it. Solution 4. Turn off brief mode. If brief mode is enabled, Alexa will use shorter responses and chimes instead of full sentences. Open the Alexa app. Tap on the More icon. Now tap Settings. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Voice Responses. Next, toggle off the brief mode. If none of these processes work, give a reset to your Amazon Alexa. So folks, this is how you can fix the distorted sound issues on your Echo device. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.